If your factory radiator is causing overheating issues in your 99 to 03 7.3 liter Powerstroke, then XDP has the solution for you. There are many reasons why your factory radiator can fail. Debris and aging coolant can cause erosion, high temperatures can create leaks and blowouts, and externally, radiators are susceptible to damage from road debris. The XDP Xtra Cooled Direct Fit Replacement Radiator is the high-quality, durable replacement you need when replacing your radiator. Each XDP Xtra Cool radiator features a high-efficiency core to maximize engine cooling. In addition, extra steps are taken during manufacturing to ensure additional strength and durability to protect your engine and cooling system. To find out more about the XDP Xtra Cooled Direct Fit Replacement Radiator, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.